Okay, so see, the thing is, I'll tell you one thing. This question is easy. I'm not going to waste a lot of time with this thing. I'll explain the question quickly and I'll tell you the answer because, okay, don't worry, I'll explain it clearly, but this thing is easy, so I won't waste your time. Thing is, there's a lecture and everything is going on, but then if you boil it down, what will happen is the professor will be giving a lecture in a particular language, language 1. But you know two languages, language 1 and 2. When you're writing notes, you write them down, right? Writing takes time and you're lazy. What you'll do is you'll look at the words, whatever the professor said, he'll say it in language 1 because he only knows language 1 because he's a professor. What else will he spend time on? Languages, no. So he'll spend his lecture on language 1. So whatever length the word may be, it will be there. But in language 2 also there will be a word. Now, whichever word is smaller in length, that one will write down. Both are equal, then you will choose language 1 anyway. That's basically the thing. So given the professor's lecture, you have to convert it into actual notes. Okay, so lecture notes. Lecture will be the input, notes will be the output. And this is the language. So take for instance this A, B, D, A, D, D. Okay, this is professor's lecture. Now, how will you approach this thing is simple. See, in this CD case, C is smaller than CD. This is language 1 and language 2. So CD is smaller than C. So in notes, we write it as C. For A is only smaller, so we write A. For D, both are equal. Let's write it like this. Both are equal, so we'll write D. If both are equal, you'll choose language 1. So the simple thing is, all you have to do in this case is take a map, hash map. First take these two as input. For each, they'll give you that values, right? Take these as inputs for each and every one of them. Take a map. Whichever one of these has a smaller length. For example, what you're supposed to write is, if length of 2 is smaller than length of 1, then map of 1, always write it as map of 1 because you take this as a reference because the professor will give you the lecture in terms of this. This will be the word that he is using. So for this one you will use A for reference. Map of A, map of lecture 1 is equals to minimum value of length of these two. If no, not minimum, if this is smaller, good, you will use this one. If these two are equal or this is small, you will use this one. So if you use that map, and from then on you can take a for loop, and for each and every one of these you can use this as a key value for that particular map. For in this case, what you'll do is the map will become, for A it will be A, for CD it will be C, for D it will be D. So for here what you'll do is CD is C, and for A is A, for D is D, for D is D. That's it. That's a simple solution. The code is in the question. Why are you wasting your time on these small questions? Do some hard ones. Okay. Thank you.